Hi, good morning. It's Caroline. I'm trying to put on a smile. I mean, I'm always smiling, but um, not really feeling 100% because I've got COVID, so I'm a little bit and a bit slow. But I just got my new pre-order parcel, and I thought you might like to see what's in the box. Oh, let's do an unpacking. How exciting. I'm super excited for this. I haven't actually, my pre-order, to be honest, I'll get out of your face. I didn't actually get that much in this pre-order. There was mainly the planner that I was really keen to get. Yeah, I might order some more things from the new caddy later, or the Christmas caddy later, but I'm just, yeah, at the moment I'm really not, there wasn't too much that I was wanting to get. I've got so much from my annual catalogue that I'm very excited. Thank you. So let's have a look. I'm not sure how I can do this. Might see if I can, sorry, I'll just swing you around a bit here and maybe hang that up there and that there. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm just hanging up my light and what have you. Shift some things so it's not too tight. And I broke my Duvalaki. I broke it the other day, so hopefully you don't fall off while I'm doing this. Okay, I'll pop you on. Let's see how we go. Just hang on. Maybe shut your eyes for a sec. Now, can you see in the box? I haven't got a lot of control because of having broken it. Whoops, dropping things everywhere here. Oh, how's that? Is that working? Yeah. So we got Happiest Hippos. I might just grab my caddy because, yeah, this is all Sale-a-bration stuff actually. So this is the Sale-a-bration Catalogue, and there's your Happy Hippos. How cute are they? You'll get, the dies are free with a $90 order. And same with the step set, $90. If you spend $90, you get your dancing hippos for free. It's so cute. And I have to say, because I've got a thing for houses, so yeah, I quite like that paper. But anyway, I'm being very strong this time, just ordering a couple of things. And okay, so next month, if you join Stampin' Up, or if you become a member of my team, you spend $169 to buy the starter kit, the Stampin' Up starter kit. You can choose $235 worth Australian of your choice, and it's retail value. And then as part of your starter kit, but only for is it? No, it's not July to December. When's the starter kit available? I'm sure it's only like a month or something. You don't actually get long. Or maybe it's only while the... Oh, maybe it is July to December. No. That's because the calendar in it goes for 18 months. What's the date? Got to check that because it's not long that you'll have to join up. So if you're going to join, maybe join the first month so that you'll be sure to get it. And what's more, bit of a warning, I think it's going to be hot property. So let's have a look. yeah, I think, you know, with the shortages that we're having in Australia. Oh, look, some new mini cutting plates for my my mini die cut machine. It all comes packaged with this air-blown recyclable plastic, biodegradable. They're really great with that sort of stuff. So there you go. So nothing's going to move. Not a thing is moving. Here's your all your papers, 18 months worth. You've got monthly focus to put in your back of your planner. You've got all your months and dates. I'll open it in a minute proper. We'll have a look. This is your Making Plans Trio. So this will come as a set. You know, it's all packed. What am I trying to say? It's like comes as a bundle. Oh, it's broken. How did that happen? That's the Making Plans, which you'll find that in the annual catalogue. Making Plans, a stamp set. Photopolymer stamp set. See, now you know where to put your stamps and you know if any are missing. It's really great. What's it say on there? We got our Stampin' Up Angel Policy Code. What do you call it? Copyright for Angel Policy. If you're wanting to sell any of your cards, then you need to have Stampin' Up on it. Your copyright. Yeah, it's all planning things. To do, notes, goals on this day. If you like writing, you know, like journaly type stuff, as a thank you. Good little background stamps there, actually. Yeah, I think this will be a bit of fun. Okay, and your trio, little journals that will probably slide inside the planner. Oh wow, they're really thick actually. I didn't think they would be that thick. I thought there would be less pages in them than that. So that's a plain blank one. Oh, I love those flowers. And here we go, that colour, what's that colour? I was using it this morning, Calypso Coral. That one's it for doodling, do your plans for card layouts. Yep. You can use all these things, don't have to use it for Stampin' Up. I mean, I won't be. You know, I've got a couple of things in my kit. I've got Stampin' Up. I've got another thing that I manage, so on behalf of my husband and myself. So, you know, you kind of, if you're going to stay on top of things, you have to. Oh, my battery's low. That's all that's telling me. Okay, I thought you'd flicked off. Let's open the planner before I run out of whatever and it does flick off. I'll pop you over there. Where's my little... This is my Shirley knife. It's not Stanley at all. It's Shirley, because this came from I have this beautiful, beautiful lady that I used to spend a huge amount of time with. I kind of cared for her, but she became like my mum. She was one of the oldies that was at the church where I used to look after all the over 50s. And she passed away a couple of years ago now, so that was a little bit, yeah, anyway, that was one of the things I got left behind, amongst other things. A ton of plants. She's an avid gardener and she knows I love gardening. I think she thought I was going to keep them alive. I love gardening, but I'm no good at keeping things alive, so I got a lot of the pot plants from her place. Anyway, okay, yep. Magnetic lockdown. It does seem fairly relatively, yeah, it is actually. It's quite strong. So we got a little pocket there for putting receipts, credit cards, your bits and bobs, your page finder. So these will slide in the back. We'll just slide. I'm not doing very good here, am I? So I think they'll just slide in there like that, and I suspect we can probably do a multi-layer if that's, you know, if that's how you roll. You can probably do like a multi-layer like that if you need to. I'm not sure how, if you'd get 3 in there or not because of the oh, there's a pen. I'm going to need to put a couple of pens in there. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. I've actually, this is my current planner. I've actually got a planner. So I hate waste, and it just seems so wasteful to not use this when I've already got it. But it's like, oh, that one is so gorgeous too. And I'm a little bit of a planner girl. A bit of a planner lady. I love planners, so I just couldn't say no. So I'll definitely be getting the new one. How I'll manage it, I'm not sure. Probably rather keep everything, all my doings, manage all my medical appointments and my life and my Stampin' Up business and my my other little business that I manage for my husband. I'd probably rather keep them all in one, but I don't know, I may end up flicking to using 2. I don't know, we'll just see. So these are your divided pages. Absolutely gorgeous with its Stampin' Up theme. Oh, I do love those colours. We've got monthly focus pages. What else have we got? We got the calendar that runs for 18 months. Weekly priorities. There's your calendar. That's already dated for us, which is so good because my other one's not like that. I have to sit down and do it. Probably good having the monthly focus. I tend to just use these. I don't tend to use the down to the day. You know, oh, I don't know, can't even find them. Are they even there? Yeah, I'm sure they've got day. Oh, yeah, there's the days. Right, okay, the days of the week. Well, I might use them if I like that, but I don't know. I do tend to be more of an overall on the daily stuff. I put it in my phone because I'm prone to being forgetful. Anyone else like that? I kept doubling up on appointments or forgetting, and then I'd have them ring me. This was like, 15 years ago. And my husband said in the end, he's like, Caroline, just put an alarm on your phone. Get a calendar and put an alarm on. Yes, dear. Look at that. Tick boxes. Oh, this is so good. I'm in love. I'm in love. Can't wait to sit down and organise my life. And we have some stickers for marking things, important highlights, birthdays. Oh, yep, mustn't forget we got on stage. Maybe might be for playing for me for on stage and on tour. Anniversaries. Yep. Oh, fantastic. Love it. Love it. Orders. Putting your order in. Team meetings. Yeah. Good reminders. I love lists. Yeah, I do. I'm a crazy list. Oh, look, but coffee first. How cool is that? Night out. Yeah, we all got to have a night out. We got to have a night out. Oh, very good. Thank you, Stampin' Up. I love this. It's just what I've needed. Okay, now you don't want to see my computer. Whoa. Oof. All right, so there we go. That's the planner. It looks adorable, and it's a bonus on top of whatever you're choosing to purchase from your $2.35 when you join Stampin' Up, and you only have to, and yeah, so you spend $169, I think it is, and you choose, oh gosh, I can't remember. Anyway, I'll pop it up on my page and my Facebook page, and you'll be able to see. It's a good deal. Not as good as last month, but it's a really good deal. All right, catch you later. Bye.